Good morning, everyone. I'm Priya, and today's my topic is pity. We humans have blood in our body. We also, in the same way, we also have pity in our body. Uh, pity is always with us, and it never leaves us, and it is complete in itself. Pity has so many advantages and disadvantages, which affects our surroundings and us in directly or indirectly. Let's first we talk about the people who are of what nature. These people got angry at very small things and never listen to anyone. They even don't talk properly to anyone, even to their family members also. Today we are listening on news and radios that these people who are of what nature become the victims of heart attacks and brain hemorrhage. Uh, because they put too much stress on their mind and never stay happy. These people never share anything with anyone, and if someone tries to talk to them, they start losing their senses and start behaving aggressively. So now the question arises: is there any need to pity these type of people? I think not so, because these people get angry over very little things, and they don't even listen to anyone. They just want that their dreams have their demands have to be fulfilled, and these demands can only be fulfilled by their parents only. But if their parents can't able to fulfill their demands uh, uh, due to lack of money, they never understand the problem of their parents. They just got angry on them that they were not fulfilling their demands. Now suppose you are in your class and you need some money and you ask a friend for it, and at that time she may get annoyed that you were asking for help, and at that spot this was such a negative behavior for you. You feel very bad for this, and in future that same friend ask help from you. She may also get that same negative response which she may give at that time, and no one may help her or pity her condition in any way. Pity is a very nice thing which naturally comes from our heart. It suits our feelings, and we have the power of tolerance, and we always stay calm and polite. Now let's talk about our soldiers who were standing continuously at one place. Some people make fun of them that they were standing aimlessly, but this is the rule of the army members that they have to stand at any cost, whether it is raining, it is cold, or it is hot. These people who are laughing today, they have to keep one thing in mind, that if today they are laughing, what happen in future? Any enemy comes to our country and attacks on us, only these people who are laughing will hide themselves will hide themselves in houses and forests like coward cats. No one come out and save us. Only at that time soldiers will saving our lives bravely. We should not laugh on the devotion that soldiers were giving. We should give respect to them. Now let's talk about our India. In India, we think that our lives is more harder than others, but there are so many people whose life is more harder than us. Let's take the example the people who are working in mines, especially in coal mines. Here, people are working in very hot temperature and smoking area. The people and their children who go there for work are being kept inside and forced to do work. Whenever we listen anything about these people, we feel so bad for them, and we pity on their condition. Now let's take another example of sports like football and cricket. In these, players struggle a lot and practice a lot to win the matches. But what happens when they lose the match? We start trolling them. That at that time when we told them, these players feel so bad that this is only the gain for their hard work and struggle which they have done to win the match. We should not troll them or make fun of their losing of match. We should appreciate them in any way we can and help them to win the next matches. Now now our society is divided into two sections, that is the richer one and the poorer one. Rich people on the one hand can't do so much of hard work because they have everything with them. They have access of money to fulfill their demands, and even their children can't do so much of hard work on their studies. They just always keep on giving excuses But poor people, on the uh, other hand work too much hard, and their circumstances are very poor. They have to do a lot of hard work. They have more responsibilities than us. Even their children works every day 18 to 19 hours in a day, every day. And they also give priority to their studies also, because they also have dreams like us, and they even don't take a rest at night. In the last, I want to conclude that we should not laugh or troll the condition of each and every people. We should give respect and pity the condition of each and every people. Thank you.
Well, very nice, very nice.